Okay. B5, we're going for B5 for some reason. Let's see how that goes. So, glossy, going to keep it there. Text enhance just a little bit. Background removal, a little bit. Edit colour, another one of those. Colour adjust. Saturation. Won't go all the way with that. Contrast. Okay. Sharpness. Go here. Copy density, we've got to darken it because we're making it negative. And brightness, we're going to make it even darker by combining these two. As long as I'm not using RGB, I can use both of those. So now, colour balance. Magenta. Maybe make yellow a bit more cyan, and maybe some black. Okay, and I think we also got to do something else. We've got to enlarge it, so we might go, let me have a look, see here, B5 to A4, that might be an interesting one to try. Anyway, let's see how big that object is we got. This, what we have here, is a book called Exploring Deep Space and Beyond. Yes, I do like space. I'm fascinated by it, but it looks like it's bigger than B5, but it's A5. It's not an exact size. So basically now we just got to change something here. So I'm trying to remember what size it is. So it's a bit bigger than A5. It's actually smaller than B5. So we're going to go the B5 way. The B5 to A4, I think that's right. I think we are right, just quietly. So let's try it and see. So it's only like 115.4%. B4 to A3, B5 to A4. So we're doing B5 to A4 on this one. Photocopiers are difficult, but if this machine had artificial intelligence, it would know just how much to enlarge it to fill the page. You just talk to it and say, fill the page, BizHub, and it'll fill the page. That's the way a photocopier should function, not the bullshit that Konica Minolta has these days where you just make a quick dollar, creating something that's fairly substandard. And look at that. We still haven't gotten close to the edge, but it's a nice image. I do like it. I'm just wondering if we can blow it up bigger, if we can enlarge it bigger. So now we're just going to go here. And we might end up, we might say that 115.4, so my guesstimate will be maybe 100 and, we'll see what happens, 120, I think it's 120%, that's what I think it might be, 120, so we'll just call it 120 and see what happens, see if it fills the page up better. But it's a nice result. I do like it. I do like the look of the characters and that. They look quite interesting. I'm questioning whether I might need some more magenta, or maybe that'll do. I think we put a lot of magenta in if I remember correctly. I'll just have a look and see whether I put how much magenta I've added to this colour balance. Magenta is basically, they're all much the same. But I think we won't bother with that. We'll just leave it at that. But this is a bit bigger. We could go even bigger than that. But I think we won't bother. We'll just be happy with that result. Exploring deep space and beyond. And we'll just have a quick look at we'll just turn the phone around. We'll just turn it around this way. And you can see that they're quite reasonably well defined, but they do look interesting now. They look kind of more spacey than they were in positive mode on the book. They look quite odd, these characters, but that's part of the fun. Anyway, ta-ta.